that fate had finally found me, and your voice was all I heard, that I get what I deserve. So give me reason to prove me wrong, to wash this memory clean. Let the thoughts cross the distance in your eyes. Give me reason to fill the soul, connect the space between. Let it feel enough to reach the truth and lies across this new divide. There was nothing in sight, the memories left abandoned. There was nowhere to hide, the ashes fell like snow. And the ground gave in between where we were standing, and your voice was all I heard, that I had what I deserve. So give me reason to prove me wrong, to wash this memory clean. Let the thoughts cross the distance in your eyes across this new divide. In every loss, in every lie, in every truth that you deny, and each regret and each goodbye was some mistake too big to hide. And your voice was all I heard, that I get what I deserve. So give me reason to prove me wrong, to wash this memory clean. Let the thoughts cross the distance in your eyes. Give me reason to fill this hole, connect the space between. Let it feel love to reach the truth and lies across this new divide. Across this new divide. Across this new divide. Your voice was all